Hi everyone, I have bought this S10 Samsung Galaxy S10 from Amazon at 35,000 rupees. I was a bit confused between S10 and OnePlus 7T, but I thought that this is a more premium deal. So let's unbox it. Here we go. In this box, I have my phone, charger brick, OTG, AKJ headsets, and charging cable. Now let's switch on my phone. Here we go. Now let's see what else is there in the box. I get this cover. A perfect fit cover. Quick start guide. And how to transfer data, etc. And a pin. So I guess this is the best deal I have got. Thank you so much. I hope you liked the video.